Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. My channel is mostly all about crochet, but if you've been a fan of mine and you have been watching for a while, you know that I like to throw in some other stuff, like jewelry, fitness equipment, clothing. Not always crochet. And I like to keep it a little variety, keep a little spice going, have some little fun on this channel. Also, if you're new, I have crochet tutorials like crazy, and where you learn crochet stitches and patterns and all kinds of cool stuff. So just check out all the different playlists that I have, and I'm sure you'll find something that is useful to you. I love crochet, and I love to teach crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. Today is WIP Caddy Wednesday. That is our works in progress. They don't always have to be crochet. They can be knit. They can even be some other beautiful crafts if you want. If it's something, if you're a fan of mine and you're watching my channel and you're on my Facebook and you have a work in progress that is something besides crochet, go ahead and post it in Facebook and I will put it on here. All right? Most of us are more than just crochet fans. All right, the first thing that I would like to show you guys that I am working on is this beautiful cat. Oh my gosh, isn't he adorable? Look at that, he's the fat cat. I got this pattern from Annie's, and I had an unboxing where I showed 3 different patterns from Annie's, and this was one of them. And I just couldn't wait to get a hold of this pattern. So here it is up close, look at that. It's so cute. Here's the back side, and there's the bottom. It just has stuffing in there. So you start from the top and you work your way down all the way to the end right here. Now, when I got to around, probably about right in here, I added the eyes and the little mouth. Now, I am working on the tail. So let's take a look at the tail. All right, guys, sadly, this is all I've got of the tail. I have a long ways to go. But not really, but really. Anyway, you know how that goes. So this is the tail, and let me show you the picture. It's Premier Yarn, which is wonderful yarn. This is the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. The fat cat. Look at that. Yay! But there's the tail that I'm working on. So it starts on the end right there. Let me pull this out again. So see, that's where I'm at. And it doesn't tell you about changing colors. You just do that on your own. So for my first cat, I'm just going strictly by the way they have it. So if you look real close, you can count how many rows that is. Like that cream color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like they did like 5, and then maybe 3, 2, and you know, so I just been going like that. That's how I did the body as well. So it's not that hard. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. So I got all those cool colors to still add to it and then put the tail on. And I'm finished with this one. I just love this. This pattern was so easy. They do have the, I guess you could call it the tutorial on their, like if you sign into your account, but I didn't need that. So it was that easy. But there's the knitted version if you want to knit this. Hook and Needle Kit Club, if you're unaware of it, it is a crochet and a knit. So you get that wonderful little knitted one and you get the crochet one. You have a choice. So the yarn that I'm using is this Premier Anti-Peeling Yarn, Everyday Worsted. I love this yarn. Yay! This is nice. It's a medium full weight yarn. Very nice. I love working with it. It's a thin full weight. So, but it's not quite 3, but I feel like I'm working with 3. It's just a little thicker than 3, but a little thinner than 4. But you will love it. It's anti-peeling, everyday worsted. So the kit comes with the glossy book, instruction book, and all the yarn that you need. The other thing is I'm still working on the temperature blanket. I showed that in my last video, but here it is. And I am about to change this to wine, which brings me to my sister Tanya gifted me a skein of wine, big twist. I only needed about 1 just to finish up June, and then I may not even need it. But I know we got about 2 weeks left, and we're already starting to be in the 90s. So like my next row on this one is wine, which is the 90s. And I have a feeling that it's gonna probably be in the 90s. So I only have 2 skeins. I'm working on 2 of these blankets and I have 2 skeins. So I asked her, I said, do you have any? She had some. And so she said I could have as many as I want. I was like, no, I think one will do it. I have the 2, they're brand new. I'm just getting into them. And I've only got 2 weeks. So surely between those 2 and then maybe split this one between the 2 blankets if I need it. So thank you, Tanya, for giving this Big Twist wine to me. This is like gold right now, the Big Twist. And I wanted to remind you that make your little balls right here that I have, these little hand therapy balls. Don't forget to make those. I have a tutorial on that, and oh my gosh, it makes my hands feel so good. I do like this with them. I rub it against that right there. Rub it on that palm right there. It's not really a palm, I guess. It's whatever that right part is. There we go. I like to rub it like that. It feels so good. Oh, yes. And then squeeze it, keep your strength going. So I do that too. So make these. I'll leave the link in the description box below if you have not made your therapy ball. All right, guys, let's see what beautiful projects you are working on. So let's just let it roll. Okay, here we have Glenda's WIP Caddy Wednesday. She made another basket for the Crochet Along temperature blanket, and it's derived from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'm so glad you're making that. The normal basket, but added a pocket on the side for her colors and hook, and of course the long handle. She said that's all she managed to finish, but she's still crocheting. Well, that is so cute. Thank you so much, Glenda, for sharing that. Okay, here we have what Debbie is working on for her WIP Caddy Wednesday. She said that this is the Prairie Flower Market Bag. The pattern is out of Crochet World Magazine Summer of 2025 edition with a pic of the bag on the cover. You see that on the bottom there, the beige color. She says she's making the full-size bag as well as smaller crossbody after doing all the math. Well, that is turning out so pretty. I'm going to have to take a look at that, Debbie. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Okay, here we have what Patsy is working on. This is a corner-to-corner blanket made with lime brown Pound of Love in colors white and honeybee. That is so pretty, Patsy. The other item is going to be a tutu for a goose. How cute. It will have tulle on it. Her granddaughter is going to put that on the bottom. She said it goes to her house on the goose that she's given her. And this pattern is by Heidi Yates, Snappy Tots. And she says for everyone to have a blessed week. Well, you too, Patsy, and thanks for sharing. Okay, here we have Tanisha's WIP Caddy Wednesday. She says, hello, friends. This is her ripple stitch blanket that she's making for her nephew's wedding gift. Oh, that is so cool. She said there is a YouTube tutorial on it at the TL Yarn Crafts. She's using Premier Basic Shimmer with plain Premier White to show a cascading effect. She says, sorry you can't see it from the photo. Hope you enjoy the rest of the week. Well, that is looking beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing that with us, and I'm going to go look that up. I just want to say thank you guys for submitting those in the Facebook group page. If you haven't done that yet, guys, come on. Just jump right in. Put on there on my Facebook group page, just put on there WIP Wednesday or WIP Caddy Wednesday, whatever you want to say, so that I'll know that that certain post is for this WIP Caddy Wednesday video. And please let it just be projects that you are working on, that are in progress, not finished projects. You can post finished projects. Don't get me wrong, you can post finished projects, but for WIP Caddy Wednesday videos, I like to showcase the WIPs. Now, some of you have shown your WIPs, and when you finished it, you like to show it off. Now, I like to include those because, you know, I mean, if we've looked in at a WIP for 2-3 weeks sometimes, I want to see the finished project, and I'm sure you guys do too. All right, guys, let's go ahead and read our little daily devotional here. I'm excited to bring this to you guys. It says, Crown of Joy. Those the Lord has rescued will return. They will enter Zion with singing. Everlasting joy will crown their heads. Gladness and joy will overtake them, and sorrow and sighing will flee away. That's Isaiah 51:11. When the Lord rescued the Israelites out of Babylon and led them back to their own land, Jerusalem, there was great rejoicing and singing. Their sorrow was replaced by joy, for they had served in captivity for a long time. It was not the first time that God had rescued them from slavery. Egypt was still fresh in their history. It also will not be the last time the Lord will rescue his people and lead them to their promised land. When the Lord returns for his people again, we will finally enter his eternal promised land. Our sorrow and crying will be forever replaced with everlasting joy and singing. God never forgets his people. He has always made a way for his children to return to him when they go astray. Why do you think the psalmist refers to joy as a crown? I love the part where it says, our sorrow and crying will be forever replaced with everlasting joy and singing. I love that. God never forgets his people. He has always made a way for his children to return to him when they go astray. That's beautiful. That's powerful. Yeah, this is a really good one. I pray that you guys get as much out of this as I have. I pray that this helps you. If you need to rewind it and listen to it again, feel free to do that. And get that in your heart, get that in your spirit. All right, guys, that's all that I have for today's video, for this WIP Caddy Wednesday. It's been so much fun hanging out with you guys. So guys, just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.